Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The British pound nudged down to a one-month low on the dollar as markets gradually reassess the different interest rate paths of the Federal Reserve and Bank of England. European stocks settled higher, bouncing from losses in the previous session as investors focused on upcoming interest rate cuts and a key US inflation report later this week. The continent-wide Stoxx 600 index was up 0.6%, with the automobiles and parts sector among top gainers with a 1.1% jump. ARK Invest, the cryptocurrency-friendly asset manager founded by prominent Bitcoin bull Cathie Wood, has sold another large portion of its Robinhood holdings. According to a trade notification on October the 8th, ARK offloaded 1.4 million Robinhood shares worth $36.4 million from its three funds.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 5 GMT. The Austrian industrial production will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's money supply M2 plus CD at 23:50 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at midnight GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.